Hello, good morning, students. So, today I am going to teach you subject moral science, second chapter, first time online. Our second chapter is believe in yourself. इसका मतलब अपने आप में विश्वास करना. The chapter is believe in yourself. Very often we tend to envy people who succeed. हम देखते हैं अक्सर जो व्यक्ति सफल होता है उससे हमको जलन सी महसूस होती है. Even when we do not have envy them, we wish that we could do as well as have done. Even though we are not jealous of it, but we sometimes think they have done jealous when we have succeeded. So why can't we do the jealousy when they are in the success path? And then we console ourselves with the excuse that luck always favor them. और उसके बाद हम अपने आप को दिलासा दे देते हैं. We are just consoling them ourselves and we are excusing us कि they might having the better luck than us. Gradually we may even accept it to be true. और हम कुछ समय बाद ये भी मान लेते हैं कि ये सच्चाई है. But the truth is that success comes to the one who believes in himself, herself, and is prepared to pay for the things that yield success. But the actual truth is that if you are working hard, if you believe in yourself, and you are prepared to do that particular task, that I can do it. I word. Remember the I word. I can do it. It may, when you are having full confidence, you will overcome that difficulties and you will 100% you will get the success. Gore once said, whenever a friend succeeds, a little something in me dies. It means that whenever my friend gets success, something I think that I can do it or not do it. I am going on thinking about that my friend can do, my friend can get the success. Why can't I can get the success for it? Does it happen to you? Gore, he was a weak child at birth. Later he was affected by polio. Doctors told his parents that he could be cured only not by medicine but by his own self-confidence and determination. The boy too felt the same as time went by. When he watched other children run and play about in the park, he tried to do the same himself. His parents therefore took him to the park every day. Slowly but steadily his muscles loosened and he was able to run like other children. But his running would not stop there. So there was one small story that once there was a man, he was too weak. He was suffering from polio. The doctors told them he can't cure by medicine, but he can cure if he is having self-confidence in him और उसमें पूरा आत्मविश्वास हो, दृढ़ निश्चय हो उसमें कि मैं पोलियो को मात दे सकता हूँ. I can fight with polio and I can walk, I can run as the other children are running in the park and walking in the park. So that's why his parents every day used to take to him park so that he can slowly walk and his muscles of the body parts will be loosened and slowly he will be getting to walk and run. It was the famous athlete Ray Avery of America. Even today athletes the world over draw strength and inspiration from him. Faith in oneself is the most essential trait required for success. अपने आप में विश्वास करना ये सबसे बड़ी खासियत होती है. वी मस्ट हैव सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, complete faith in us that we can do it. That is the most important thing. Any person who has reached the top will testify to this. A person who believes in himself never doubts his ability to succeed. A person, एक व्यक्ति जो अपने आप में आत्मविश्वास रखता है, पूर्ण सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस रखता है, वो कभी भी उस पर डाउट नहीं होगा कि मैं सफलता हासिल नहीं कर सकता हूँ. ही 100% he will achieve the success. Quite often this never failing self confidence is mistaken for self conceit, sometimes even for egotism. Your faith in yourself comes from the way you esteem yourself, how you are behaving. Your faith comes by your attitude, how you are behaving with others. Your self-esteem is your own view yourself, चाहे वो फिजिकली हो, मेंटली हो, इमोशनली हो या सामाजिक तौर पे हो. इट कम्स फ्रॉम ए फीलिंग ऑफ सेल्फ वर्थ. खुद के काम से ही सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस की हमें प्राप्त होती है. The value you place on yourself determines the way you behave in presence of others. How you are going to place you in front of the others, that is much important. The self-image you project will show how much you respect yourself. It also shows how confident and are about yourself. When you are presenting anything else in front of the others, how you are presenting, how you are behaving in front of them, that is the most important thing. It is not enough that you have confidence in yourself. You should also have the courage to act on the faith you have in yourself. So not only the confidence, but you must have the 100% faith in you that you can do it and you can present it. Many a time we fail to act on our confidence because someone we respect throws a cold blanket on our ideas and actions. Sometimes our actions or our words, our presentations were not liked by the others, and at that time we are feeling that we can't present it nicely. How do you climb the high tower? हम एक ऊंचे टावर पे कैसे चढ़ते? पहले हम पहली सीढ़ी चढ़ेंगे, फिर दूसरी, फिर तीसरी, धीरे धीरे करते slowly and slowly we will reach the top of the tower. If you want to reach the top, keep these simple points in mind. Do not allow yourself to be influenced too much by what people say. Don't worry about that, what the people are telling about you. You just go on doing it. Do not discuss your plans with too many people, and whatever the plans you are making for your future, don't discuss with too many peoples. Do not give up too easily after listening to the doubts and fears of tamed people. Do not make mistake comparing yourself. Do not compare with the others that particular person is much better than me, and don't get upset. You just going on trying it. Set a mark for yourself and go all out of to reach it. Count your blessings instead of your troubles and failures. Instead of your counting the troubles कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाया, वो नहीं कर पाया, मैं फेल हो गया. Instead of counting that, you must be counting the blessings whatever you are getting from the God. Importance of having faith in yourself. It gives, what are the importance of having faith? Faith हमें आत्मसम्मान देता है, हमको सुधारना सिखाता है. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, फेथ इम्प्रूव करता है. योर बिहेवियर, एटीट्यूड्स and outlook on life are influenced by trust you place in yourself. If you are trusting in you, you are having your faith in you, then your behavior, attitude will be very good. The love, trust, and acceptance you received in your childhood have influenced your self image and self confidence. So, whatever the love and the faith and trust, whatever you received from the others in the childhood, that will be influenced in the form of your self image and self confidence. In case you have not experienced these positive strokes sufficiently, you have to make purposeful efforts to cultivate the trait of faith and confidence in